sure, man?
I'm already up here.
No, why you?
My arms are longer
You
than
got a
yours. This is just more
Okay, Kelly, you
convenient.
got all the letter, man.
Yeah. I'll then put it in first.
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay.
Go.
You gotta lift yours up and above.
Yep.
I'm in completely.
I'll give you this
We are
thing.
golden.
I can't.
I can't yet, James. He's gotta wiggle it. I might have to move it out a little bit.
Kelly, why you don't
need-
go forward, Danny?
Go up one more step, please, to make it easier on yourself.
I have it here. I just need to I just make sure I put it in the right direction.
Oh,
because
okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm holding
in.
the bracket against it so you can move
Go
it
put
all you
this on
want.
your bed.
It's already in.
Let me take a look. Alright, hold. We still need a pin.
You can't
I'm
even
thin.
see. You can't even see the.
Square is way too wide. You
Yeah.
got a wrap on bracket.
Oh yeah, I guarantee it. Yeah.
You can't even see the pin.
I know, you want
Oh,
that.
didn't I bring the needle nose? I put the needle nose on the desk so you can put the pins in. Oh.
Got you.
You alright?
Oh shit, I forgot to borrow a holder for you. Look at that, that's dangerous, Dave.
No, I can go up a ladder just fine.
I know.
It's coming
but
down,
it's
that's the
stable,
problem.
Dave.
Well, let's see if it wraps on the bracket or not.
Life is a compromise. Here, James.
No, I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
My fat ass fingers ain't fitting in there.
No, makes figure fine.
You want them bent?
You split it?
Well, I can't do that on my side. I have to use these. My fingers are too fat.
No, I will do it.
Oh yeah, I can't.
Are your hands clean?
Yeah. No, not here, not touch the fabric.
The fabric's kind of fully covering the.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Usually the fabric would be a little smaller, but the fabric's bigger this one.
It's an inch too wide.
2 inches wide.
Oh, it's two?
Yeah.
If we test the extreme, then we'd be don't worry about it in the future. I can't know after that size, we have to test all ourselves.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, at least you know your tolerance.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that works.
I want to say the possible cause.
Well, sure. Absolutely.
Alright.
I feel like I'm working at UO.
Yep.
Always wanted to work there.
You gotta move. Then get the remote.
Are you able to touch them?
Okay. Where
Bring the ladders out so that